Following a seizure of 1,07,800 bottles of cough syrup at the Jirania railway station, police continued their efforts, leading to a significant recovery from a vehicle. While checking a Bolero vehicle bearing registration number TR01AX 1543, authorities recovered 4,400 bottles of Eskof cough syrup. The estimated market value of the recovered 4,400 bottles of Eskof is approximately Rs 36 lakh. The Baijalbari police have arrested one individual identified as Sanjib Debbarma in connection with the case. An individual named Sanjib Debbarma, a resident of Mokam Kami under the jurisdiction of Lefunga Police Station, was arrested. An FIR was filed against the accused under the NDPS Act. The Bolero vehicle involved was seized by the Baijalbari police. The vehicle was reportedly traveling from Teliamura to Khoi towards Agartala. The successful action was credited to the initiative taken by Jugal Tripura, the officer in charge of Baijalbari Police Station.
Pasta sare pasta somoyo sin thani khobor phayo kaisa gari Bolero pickup gari bini number angkai TR01AX 1543 number cough syrup tuboi yang Telamura dikdiki ni simi Agartala dikdiki thangnai baya belpangti thangnai ni sin thani khobor tongo ga a khobor manai no hangtini sini traffic inspector Sanjib Debbarma sarno bini suba susanka bo phaikya bini staff phaikya tai ani office thanani officer tai staff miliboi sungoro belphang nakao sung embuso asuka bini pore sarapsani pore sung o gari no je sungno khobor tongmani o gari phai sokpaikya sokpaima pore sung atkewi naikya o gari bisingo total aro 30 ta box tongo o box bisingo Eskof tongo gonongma pore total sung mangkha 4,400 pieces Eskof mangkha sung gari bisingo Khorang romka Sanjib Debbarma ni je salokno sung romka market value to 35-36 lakh rokungnai gari Telamura diktigi ni simi Agartala diki thangnai hini sin thani khobor tongnai.
The accused individual will be produced to the district court on Saturday by the police. The police are also investigating to arrest those involved. Reported by Biplov from Khoi, Chini Khorang.